Everyone, this is Richard Gibbens, MLS Director for Southwest MLS, and I wanted to show everybody a functionality that can be a big time saver for you, and also show you a part of that. It's a new feature that we actually just enabled for you. So when you're in Flex here, if you click on Menu, under the Add Change menu, you can click on Copy. And what it'll do is ask you for an existing MLS number of a listing that you have done in the past. And this could be an expired listing, a canceled listing, a sold listing. Doesn't really matter what status it's in as long as it was yours. And then you also have this little copy photos button. We'll make sure that's checked. And right here is actually the new feature. For those of you who've used it before, you know that before you could only copy residential to residential or residential income to residential income. You couldn't cross property types. But the new feature is that you can cross property types now. So if you have a listing that is in residential, but it could also be in farm and ranch, for example, then you can choose a different property type to move it to. In this example, I'm going to choose residential income actually, and then hit next. And what it does is it brings you into the add listing screen, but a lot of stuff is going to be already filled out for you. So like here on the address tab, you'll see addresses already filled out. Once you do the geocode, we'll get over here to the main fields tab, and you can see all these things are filled out for you already as well. And then even over to the details tab, which is usually one of your more time-consuming pieces, those are filled out as well. So like I said, the new feature is that you can copy across the property types. That's a cool new thing for you guys, a big time saver. Couple caveats. One, the listing does have to be your own. You can't copy somebody else's listing, which you shouldn't be doing anyways, because that is actually part of the Standards of Practice 1210 under the Code of Ethics. You should never, ever, ever copy somebody else's photos or remarks without their permission. But the other caveat is that it can only copy fields that are the exact same between different property types. So it's not going to catch everything for you, but it will catch a good amount. And then the other thing you'll notice is once you go through and you add listings and you get to your change listing screen, you'll see it'll actually copy the photos over for you as well. So that's yet another time-saving part of this process for you. So use that copy function. Next time you see somebody on your board of directors or policy committee, give them a thank you for getting this feature enabled for you. And of course, if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to us here at Southwest MLS staff. We'll be happy to help. Thank you all and have a wonderful day.